First of all, good afternoon, everyone. It's very good to be here in sunny California. In this talk, I'm excited to be able to share how Network Optix is transforming video AI application with a groundbreaking new tool in our enterprise video operating system. And it's the Network Optix AI Manager. But first, let me introduce myself again a little shorter. My name is Robin van Emden. And I'm one of the co-founders of Scalable, a Dutch company that was recently acquired by Network Optix. To us at Scalable, it made perfect sense to become a part of Network Optix, since we share a common mission with Network Optix to simplify the deployment of video AI models across various edge devices, regardless of whether they run on CPU, GPU, NPU, what have you. In my current role as Network Optix Senior Director of Data Science, I do remain 100% committed to empowering developers interested in building AI video solutions through Network Optix AI, Vision APIs, SDKs, and open tools. So let me see. Click there. And it works. So let's start with a little history. In 2010, Network Optix started with a clear vision: to create an enterprise video management system that will be easy to use, easy to scale, and easy to build upon. And today, Network Optix Enterprise Video Operating System connects actually over 4 million devices worldwide, helping businesses in more than 150 countries manage their video needs effortlessly. Meanwhile, in Amsterdam, Scalable AI was making strides in a different but complementary field. Scalable AI built a platform that takes complex AI models and then packages them so neatly that they can run just about anywhere, from tiny chips in traffic cameras to powerful servers in data centers. And our technology made it easy to use AI not just in Python notebooks, but in actual real-world applications out there in the field. And that's harder than you think. So when Network Optix acquired Scalable AI, it was not just about bringing two companies together. It was about combining the strengths of Network Optix expertise in managing vast networks of video streams with Scalable's innovative AI tools. This integration means that developers, so the people here, can now use Network Optix to turn raw video data into actionable insights more efficiently than ever before.